So a lot of you are used to seeing digital marketing products and don't really get to see the other companies out there. So I'm gonna show you how to make some money online in the network marketing space. So I don't really do any companies that are too complex. I try to keep it simple when I dab into this place, but this is where you're gonna get some recurrent income, especially if you don't have a product. So these are the free apps that come with this site. So a lot of you should be familiar with these sites. If you're not, that's wild. But that's even more better why you've seen this video. Rukaten. See, Rukaten is an app where you can get cash back and stuff. On Upside is the app, as you can see it right here, is where you can do the same with gas and restaurants. Fetch rewards, if you, especially if you're in rideshare, hopefully you're using Fetch rewards, because you can scan your receipts and earn cash back. I used to get a lot of Amazon gift cards with this app. So you can be a free member with this site, and you can get these apps, get your affiliate link and put them in the back office and just refer free members. See, if you see right here, you get $30 whenever someone gets on Rukaten and shops and they spend $30. So that's one way you can get paid as a free member. But a lot of you are here because you want to really get money. So let's scroll down to the premium apps. So this is why I say this is something so easy to explain, because everything here is around saving money. So here you can shop and get more savings. Here you can submit your bills and see if they can get you a discount on your bills. Right here, if you take prescription, here you can get up to 90% off on prescription. Here, another place to get cash back on. And here is Zoom. So if you like to use Zoom, you can get a Zoom max features for $12.99 a month. So real simple, right? And I'm giving you a whole new style of video just because I think this is going to be way more high converting on TikTok. But simple, right? That's it. The other part of this will be how do you get paid, which I'm going to have a video for that. Can't make this video super long. But besides that, is this a product that everyone can use? Yes or no? See, you guys are overcomplicating this, and I'm showing you this because some of you might be too overwhelmed with digital marketing. Well, here's a place where you can come in with a low amount of money. I mean, super low. I think Nexus Rewards is $50 to get started. It's like $9.97 a month to keep access to these premium apps. Super affordable. But this is how you're still going to make some money without having to do the whole digital marketing route, which I do as well. So drop a comment below if you want to hop in on this. It pays every single week, and I'm building a nice team worldwide in this business. So drop a line, favorite this video, share it with a friend if it's not for you.